You're a boss with all online bosses. That is the aim. That is the agenda for this channel, guys. With me today, I have my Ethereum pillow. I love a good Ethereum. The merge is coming up. Very bullish for crypto. Anyway, it's not a crypto video, but even though I'm the crypto guy, made those millions of crypto, teaching you guys crypto, online boss, and my online business and mindset. That's what I'm here for, guys. But this video right now, guys, is about I don't want to say it because I might get demonetized. 5G. All right, guys, I'm going to actually tell you that 5G is actually good for you. Listen to it. You're never going to believe this, how good for you it is. Anyway, it's not the 5G that you're thinking of. But first, let me introduce myself for people that don't know me. Guys, I'm an online boss, very successful entrepreneur, have multiple companies, and I'm here to inspire and teach you guys. I've had all the traumas, all the headaches, all this, that, whatever, boo-hoo me. But I'm here to inspire you guys to tell you if I can do it. And I was some thicko that got kicked out of school, that was in jail and homeless and all that, whatever. And if I can do it, you can do it, 100%, guys. And my agenda is, I just want to see people succeed. I didn't have my dad, I didn't have good role models, I didn't have nothing. So I want to be your guys' role models to help you guys so you don't have to slip and to know that there's another way to make money than doing it any other kind of way. So let's talk about the 5Gs. All right. First of all, guys. Okay, so the 5Gs. So this is I believe this is 5 reasons why I'm successful. There's many reasons, but I believe if you follow these 5 things, this can help you be very successful in life. And it's so easy to remember. And also, I'm going to teach you guys some brain tricks, because in school, this is where the school system is broken. They don't teach you how to learn. They just tell you to learn. And believe it or not, guys, there's actually a way to learn. Like the genuine way to learn. And I'm going to tell you how to remember these 5 Gs and never forget them. So these are 5 Gs that I believe that can make anyone successful. First of all, is giving. I genuinely believe the most times in my life where I have got the most blessings from the universe is when I'm giving. Do you believe the more you give out unconditionally, the more the universe blesses you back? All right? Don't give to receive. Don't give because you think you're going to receive. Just give at the kindness, comfort of your heart, and in yours reap the rewards. Okay? So that's giving. Goals, guys. We always must have goals in our life. If we have no goals, if we have no aims, we'll get lost. It's like a ship in the night with no aim, no destination. It's just going to go round and round and round in circles. If you've got no goals, guys, you're going to go round and round in circles. I had this growing up, had no goals, no ambitions. I didn't know what I was going to do in my life. I'm just going round and round and round and round in circles. Put a goal. Make sure this goal is believable, but also believable, achievable, but also it's not just like a basic goal. Like, oh, I want a basic goal. I want to save enough for a laptop. Like, that's a good goal if you really need that to do something. It's a good stepping stone goal. But if you've got the laptop, you've got the basic stuff, and you really want to make change, $1 million. Maybe that's a goal. That was my first original goal, and I hit it. So I'm only speaking for me. But guys, it could be anything. You want a laptop, cool. And you got nothing, you can't afford it, have that for a goal. Have your goals. But make sure it's a goal that takes effort. Not that you're in a first world country and you manifest in a laptop and your parents can buy it if you behave yourself for a few weeks. Do you know what I mean? Make sure it's a big goal. Okay, guys, grit. The 3rd G, so we've got giving, goal, and 3rd G is grit. Grit. Guys, especially for my men out there, you gotta have that grit. You gotta have that grind. You gotta have that determination. Guys, we are warriors. We are providers. We are alphas. We need to man up and go out there and make our money, right? And with grit, with that drive and that fearlessness, you will succeed. Don't be a pansy and stop at the first hurdle. Don't be that guy. Be the hero of your story. Be the guy to change your family's legacy. Be that guy. Fourth is gratitude. Guys, every single day, give gratitude to the universe. Guys, you will be so surprised when you start giving gratitude, what the universe gives you back. And it kind of makes sense, guys. Like, you know, if you don't be thankful for what you got, why is the universe going to give you anything else? Makes sense, right? You know, unfortunately, if you open the door for someone and they didn't say thank you, you'll never open the door again for them, would you? It is what it is. Okay, and the fifth, I wouldn't say most important, but it's a very important one, but I believe all of them important, is growth, guys. Genuinely believe for us to be content, happy in life, we have to keep striving with growth. You've got to keep learning. We've got to keep striving for greatness. We've got to always be, you know, stepping up that ladder. We've got to keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Guys, honestly, that's probably the reason why I'm so happy all the time. People are like, oh, you're such motivated, so happy. Do you know why, guys? Because let's be real. I'm not here to be dormant about the world, but the world ain't the best place, is it really? Corona, inflation, you know, all this hate, wars. This ain't a brilliant place, but that's that world. That's the matrix. I escape the matrix. I'm in my own world. And because I'm in my own world, I'm occupied in my world. I'm outside their world. Their world is bad, yes, I agree, but our world, my world that you guys can create as well with my help, is fine. It's beautiful. We create our own reality, right? We grow every single day and we're occupying ourselves so we're not in that world. So we just keep growing, okay, guys? Wicked. Those are the 5 goods. I'm not going to say it. And I'm going to tell you guys how you're going to remember that. Okay, this is very deep stuff, guys. Very simple, because I'm a simple guy. KISS. Keep it super simple. And this is what we're going to do, guys, in life. You want to keep everything simple. And remember, guys, we learn through pictures. When they're in school don't even know how to even teach you how to learn, because they don't teach you how to learn, but it's very simple. We've learned more about the brain in the last 10 years than we ever knew about the brain, all right? Here's one fact for you. We learn in pictures, in images, right? Why do you think kids learn so fast? Never thought that. Kids can learn quick at the stage that we're at, you know, till they're about 10, 11, 12, because their imaginations are strong and they're playful out and they're playful, and the picture, you tell them words and they'll make pictures from these words, okay? So, we're gonna make it playful, you're gonna put images with it. Okay, I'm gonna learn you how to learn those 5 goods that I just told you, so you can always remember this every single day when you're striving for success. Okay, everyone's got their own pictures. You can put your own pictures, you can make your own thoughts about it, you can make it playful as you want to, but I'm gonna say how I remember it, right? So you wanna put in stories, or storyline. When kids remember from the stories, songs, we always remember that song, right? Put emotion to it, put song, stories. Do you get where I'm going? This is where you remember things, through stories, through patterns, through, you know, images, all this stuff. Okay, let's learn the 5 Gs. First is giving. So this is my story. So I made one story, make your own. Or keep this one. I'm giving the ball to the goalkeeper and I scored a goal. So I'm in my mind, I'm picturing me giving the ball, kicked it, giving it to the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper misses it, grits his teeth. So what have we got? Giving, goal, grit. And then I'm like, and then I score. He's angry. I score. Then he's like, then I'm like, thank you. Because I won, like in my mind, we always make it exaggerating. In my mind, it was the goal of the World Cup. And I scored some gratitude. Thank you, God. And I'm like, I'm growing too. Gratitude, and I'm growing. You see that, guys? Guarantee you guys, this is beautiful. That no one's teaching this. I don't see nobody, like, you know, I'm not saying I'm not bringing that age into it, but in my age group anyway, that, I'm quite cool. Do you know what I mean? I'm, online world and crypto. No one's really teaching this kind of stuff, really. Tell you exactly where I got this from. I got it from my mentor, Jim Quick. Like, these things I don't just pluck out my head. I have to study hard and study all the time and find this thing. Jim Quick, amazing brain coach. So big up Jim Quick. I didn't put that out of my mind. I've learned, everything is learning. He learned off someone else. So check him out, guys, Jim Quick. But that is just a simple way for you guys to learn. And I know you're thinking, that is genius. Because it's freaking genius. It is genius. And I'll tell you another saying. Another thing which is Albert Einstein. We all are geniuses. And this is my, I want to project this to you guys. We all are geniuses. But if we judge a fish by its ability to climb a wall, the fish will live his life feeling he's stupid. Powerful. Break that one down. Break that down. And it just shows you, it goes on to what I was saying before about the school system. School system is broken and they don't teach us how to learn. They just teach us to learn. You need to learn. They tell us to learn. They don't teach us how to learn. And I just teach you one little video how to learn. And many people like me that are entrepreneurs, we get misunderstood because we're a fish, we're all geniuses, but they're judging us on the ability to climb a wall. We're entrepreneurs, we can't, anyone that watches is an entrepreneur. I know you are, because you wouldn't press any kind of videos like this. You're an entrepreneur, trying to work money online, trying to bet your life, you're an entrepreneur. Got people like us who are struggling at school, who was misunderstood, because we're fishes, and they're telling us to learn this, learn that, and we're like, I don't want to learn that. That's not for me. We're entrepreneurs. We want to learn business. We want to learn what money is. We want to learn the monetary system. We want to learn how to learn. Never mind. So guys, some nice value for you guys. If you like these kind of videos, subscribe, share it to a friend, watch this other video. It's what you need to watch. And guys, until the next one, peace out.